Welcome back, everybody. So as you can see, I am hard at work amidst my haunted cinema ticket booth project. If you're interested in following me along in that project, I'm posting pictures of the progress on my Patreon page. If you're interested in becoming a patron, you can check out the link below. But apropos of this, I did get in the mail today another patron box that I wanted to share from you. This was something I received from my patron Allison Waldron, and I have no idea what it is. It's huge, and she had mentioned she was sending something. We thought it might have got lost in the mail for a bit, but it has finally arrived, and I'm very excited to see what it is. Clearly, we had to post it in, what is this, looks like 2 boxes maybe taped together. Let's go ahead and try and open it up, see what is inside. All right, Allison has sent me several boxes in the past, usually treats or something fun, and it's always very much appreciated. Thank you very much, Allison, and Allison and family, I should say. So here we go. Let's see. Wonderful surprise we are in for today. Okay, a little more package opening. All right, inside she has sent me a bunch of shopping bags. Always good for the garbage can. But let's see, what else might be in here besides some shopping bags and some packing. All right, I think I see a card. It's attached to this. This is a frame. Could be a frame of some sort, and I think that's it. I'm guessing this is, the rest of this is just packing material. Let's see. I think it is. Okay, enough of that. All right. Ooh. Okay. Let's see what the card says. It is a nice little pink card. Hello, Michael. Hope you and Tom are staying safe and not going too crazy in quarantine. I had bought this at an estate sale to fix and use for Halloween, but I would never get a good idea. Also, it is creeping out my family. I know you are a crafting whiz, I wouldn't go quite that far, and might be able to do something really neat with it. If not, pass it along. Happy haunting, Allison. All right, well, I hope it's not too creepy. I don't want something weird and creepy hanging in my house. We'll see. Oh my God. Certainly well packed. All right, here goes. What is it? All right, almost there. Appears to be a portrait of some sort. Oh, look at that. You can definitely tell it's aged. Look at the back of this thing. It's got some really old-looking wire, but, ooh, frame's a little damaged, but that gives it character. And this woman, I'm assuming that's a woman. Is this a woman? I don't know. It could be a man with short bobbed hair. I don't know. I think it's a woman. It's very creepy. We'll have to figure out something to do with this, so stay tuned. It's going to be one of my projects eventually. Ooh. I've always wanted to do one of those portrait walls of scary, fun portraits. Maybe I should start working on that. I've got some plans. So stay tuned. We'll figure out something. But thank you very much, Allison. I can't wait to figure out something to do with creepy woman, creepy man. Anyway, what's creepy person's name? Leave me a comment below. We're going to have to come up with some name. And if you have an idea, I'm all ears. So give me an idea, something we can do with creepy fun man, woman, and we'll give it a shot. But thank you once more, Allison. Really appreciate it. And again, if anyone's interested in joining my Patreon team, keep up with all I'm doing, make sure that you subscribe. Subscribe and join my Patreon team. But if not, We'll be posting other videos throughout the year as we get closer to Halloween, store walkthroughs, DIYs, all that sort of fun jazz. So till then, stay tuned, take care, and happy haunting.